Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a park bench. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black color pen to draw the bench. First of all, make a straight line and another one. Let's join the two lines. And now one tiny line. Another one. And it should be same as like this. Okay, now let's join all the lines. Do the same thing again. Yes, it's looking quite similar. Let's draw another one. But this one will be a little different. Let's connect everything together. Draw some tiny circles. Okay. It's looking pretty good, and now I'm drawing its tent. You can see that I'm following the same thing for both sides. It's taking time because it's 3D drawing. Now let's draw some cracks with my black pen. And now I'm coloring the bench with green. Now I'm using light green color. Now I'm using yellow color. And now I'm using yellow-orange color. Thank you so much for watching.